Ow! Ow!
Into him.
Okay, so it's like 7:30 in the morning and I just woke up to extreme weather notifications from the Weather Network saying that there's a huge storm coming. I don't really know what to expect today, but let's just see what the day brings. You failed your first math test? Show me. What did you get? Oh, you little fucker.
You thought! You thought!
Okay, so I'm really cold right now and I don't have any freaking gloves and I am so cold. But I have gloves. Hat noob.
Okay.
Ow! Ow! Break my leg. Ready?
Oh, let's go, boys. This whole thing's just snow. Right now I'm jumping off. I'm just so...
I got security over here. We got security over here. He's chasing me. This man's chasing me. Here, take the GoPro.
down. Those are my buggy's car.
No, it's snow. Shit, he's gonna hurt. Hey, see, heard you got that drip. You can't necessarily see here, but there is just so much snow. It's been coming down all day, hasn't stopped, and it's still coming. I never really thought that I have to shovel snow in mid-November.